I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Roblox account password. So it's pretty simple. First, you want to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it's going to bring you to this page. Here you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on settings. Once you're inside setting, make sure you're in the account info page. From account info page, you will see the password option. Right beside password, you will see this little pen and pencil icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, first you need to enter the current password of your Roblox account. Once you enter the current password, enter the new password which you want. Once you enter the new password again to confirm it, and then click on update. Once you do that, your Roblox password will be changed. That is basically how you guys can change your Roblox password. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comments.